Refrigerated tortellini is one of the best shortcuts in the kitchen. Here are 5 easy recipes that will blow your mind. This first recipe is definitely one that will make your family happy. Tortellini pizza. This is a dinner you can build in about 5 minutes, and it takes about 30 minutes to cook. For this pizza, I got some sausage and cheese stuffed tortellini, so I think that would make a good base for this. You basically just layer everything in. As it cooks, the pasta is going to absorb the liquid from the tomatoes and the sauce. Okay, that had to be the easiest thing to ever put together. I'm gonna bake this for 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Look at that pizza pie. This looks like a delicious pizza, and if nothing else, it's just a fun way to cook pasta. My kids are gonna love this, and I'm loving the perfect bite. What's not to love? Now I'm gonna fry that tortellini, and then just wait to see how I take it up even another notch. To season my breadcrumbs, I'm going to use a ranch packet just to kind of zhuzh things up a little. Super simple. We're gonna take them straight from the bag into some egg and breadcrumbs. All right, we've got these nicely breaded. Now we're just gonna drop them in the fryer. To me, the refrigerated tortellini feel like partially cooked, so there's no need to boil them ahead of time before frying them. All right, now these little nuggets of goodness would be great just dipped in marinara sauce for the perfect appetizer. But you know me, I gotta take it one step further. I'm gonna turn these into my favorite food of all time, nachos. Hit them with the cheese right when they come out of the fryer so that the cheese melts all over the top. Come on, say you wouldn't want to be at my party if I was serving this. Perfect bite. Speaking of party food, you know food is more fun when you put it on a stick. These tortellini skewers are gonna be your next favorite appetizer. I'm going to simply toss my tortellini that I have cooked in just a little bit of your favorite dressing, and then we'll just thread it on with some other things. These are beautiful, the easiest appetizer ever. I like to finish it off by drizzling a little bit of the dressing over the top. Perfect bite. Tortellini is also great for soups and stews. I'm gonna show you a super easy and delicious stew. You might have seen a recipe like this before. The beauty of it is that it uses a block of cream cheese to create this creamy sauce. You can switch out the ingredients however you want. I'm also using rotisserie chicken here because I'm really making this like a no-cook meal. I never have to go to a skillet for any reason, but you could add like browned Italian sausage or something else in here. This is gonna cook on low for about 2.5 hours. You'll stir it about halfway through to get everything reacquainted. This is the perfect dish for when the weather gets warm because it tastes really light, yet it does keep you full, so it's perfect for a family dinner. If you want it more of like a thick, hearty stew, you can just cut the chicken broth in half. I like it more of like a soup, so this is perfect. And then I'll sprinkle it with a little Parmesan cheese and cracked pepper. Well, let me give her a taste. You gotta try this. This is a great recipe for entertaining as well. You can fix it and forget it and enjoy the party. Tortellini is greater than regular noodles when it comes to pasta salad. It's just more fun. Of course, you can substitute tortellini in any of your favorite pasta salad recipes. I'm gonna show you a great one here that's perfect for the summer. It's tortellini primavera. This is a great way to use up any leftover veggies you've got in your fridge. It's gorgeous and full of perfect bites, like this one. With the burst of tomatoes and the fresh herbs, this just tastes like summertime. See, refrigerated tortellini is the secret ingredient you never knew you needed. It's perfect for parties or for feeding your families during the week. And thanks for watching, because I wouldn't be here without you. I'm here teaching you can cook that twice a week, so be sure you're subscribed so you never miss a thing. Like this one. I didn't know if you were gonna come get it.